You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday after lower than expected jobless data led to increased QE fears. The greenback ended the day at 1.3187 to the euro and 80.87 to the yen. Today sees the release of CPI and Michigan confidence. Next to the euro. The euro rose following a rebound in risk appetite after the release of better than expected Chinese trade data, which showed exports not falling as much as been expected. The single currency ended the day's trading at 106.66 to the yen and 0.8262 to the pound. German CPI out this morning showed no change in March. British pound. The pound continued to rally as investors sought safety in gilts and confidence ran high after a run of strong data for the UK. Sterling ended the day at 1.5958 to the dollar and 129.08 to the yen. Today sees the release of producer prices with analysts expecting a correction. Japanese yen. Commentary for the governor of the Bank of Japan, in which he hinted at more quantitative easing, led to a fall in the yen on Thursday, whilst a lack of safe haven demand also weighed. The Japanese currency ended the day's trading at 80.87 to the dollar and 106.66 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.314 with 1.321 and 1.324 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.313, which will open the way to 1.31 and 1.3055. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.5925 with 1.5975 and 1.6 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.5915, which will call for a slide towards 1.588 and 1.584. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 81.2 with 80.7 and 80.55 in sight. The upside breakout of 81.2, which will open the way to 81.45 and 81.8. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. Have a great weekend.